Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your KTC Monitor model and whether you'll use the remote or front buttons. That matters for navigation. Once powered on, wait 10 to 20 seconds so the monitor finishes booting. This prevents menu glitches. Press the menu or OSD button. Use directional buttons to highlight picture or brightness. You're now in the right menu. Make sure the input source is stable, because changing brightness while the signal switches can hide options. You navigate to picture, then locate brightness or backlight. Some KTC models separate them, so check both. Use the left/right arrows or +/- keys to change the numeric value. Watch the screen to judge midtones and shadow detail. Once you reach the target level, press OK or Enter to store the setting. If there's a save prompt, confirm it. If you plan multiple adjustments, tweak contrast afterward so highlights remain natural. Finally, exit the OSD to let settings apply. You finish by checking power saving and eco modes. These often cap brightness at 50% to save energy, so disable them if you need full output. If brightness controls are unresponsive, perform a factory reset from the OSD. Once done, readjust brightness and contrast. If the panel still looks dim, test a different HDMI/VGA input and cable, and inspect ambient light sensor settings which can auto-dim the screen. One key tip: try a different source device to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.